Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paul. This is going to be my first video and I'll be making matcha today. I traveled to Japan in 2017, went to Kyoto, and in Kyoto I went to the Golden Shrine, which is also called Kinkakuji. In Kinkakuji, they were serving ceremonial grade green tea, and it was way different from what I'm used to. And I'm used to this Ippodo green tea. I pretty much had this almost every single day in college and whenever I could in my professional career. And after experiencing that tea ceremony that they had there for a few bucks, it changed my mind that I need to switch away from this to ceremonial grade green tea. And after coming back, I was on a quest to make my ceremonial green tea as identical to what I experienced in Kyoto, which is the reason why I bought some myself, and I've been trying to make this pretty much for the past 2 years. And I believe that it's been very helpful for my health, my energy, and I really recommend it for pretty much everyone that I know and everyone that I don't know. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'll be making some ceremonial matcha. I'm using an electric kettle to warm up the water anywhere between 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 77 to 82 Celsius. Any more than that will denature the matcha leaves. So far, I've been liking the Ippodo brand for my tea consumption. You can find some on their site or on Amazon. I pour the heated water into the Chawan or matcha bowl to heat up and prep up the bamboo whisk. You can use whatever bowl as long as it'll accept a whisk. Next, pour out the water and pat the bowl dry with a dish or paper towel. For my mornings, I like using 1 to 2 scoops from my Chashaku or bamboo scooper and into a tea strainer. For this video, I'm using 1 scoop. The strainer helps to declump the matcha into a fluffier powder, better for whisking. I like pouring anywhere between 3 to 4 ounces of water. With the bamboo whisk for about 20 seconds or until there's a fine layer of bubbles. If there's any larger bubbles, you can use the whisk to break them into finer ones. And there you have it, a simple way to start the morning right. If you'd like to see more videos and support this channel, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.